Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. Today we're going to be doing a power hour video, and what that is you make a list of the things you hope to get accomplished in an hour, you set a timer, and you just get to it. So today I'm going to start in my bedroom by making our bed and just kind of picking up in here, and then I will move on to the next thing on my list. Charlotte always likes to come in and tell me little stories when I'm folding laundry or cleaning, and she loves the camera, as you can tell. She is such a little ham. There she is. So Charlotte calls me in from the other room to go help her with something, and I go out and leave the door open, and this is what happens when you leave the door open. So I'll have to remember to shut the door next time. I'm sure every mom probably feels like this, but laundry is just never ending in our house. I swear if I just let it go for a day or two, it just gets so overwhelming. So you'll see on my list that laundry is at the top, and I'm not going to get that done in an hour. That's going to be like an all-day thing. So then I have make the beds, do the dishwasher, empty the dishwasher, and then put all the toys in the playroom. We're going to be doing a purge of all their toys. So then next is vacuum and take out the trash. So I'm going to set my timer to an hour, and let's get to it. And I've had Charlotte go around the house and collect all her little toys so that we can take those into the playroom. And you'll see later in the video, I mean, I've just been getting like bags of their toys and just putting them in there, and we're gonna have a major toy purge coming up, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna make that a video, but most likely I will, just so you can see the before and after of their playroom. So now I'm just in the kitchen wiping down everything. This wasn't really on my list, it was just something that needed to be done after breakfast, so I'm just gonna get that done and then move on to the next. Now that the dishwasher is emptied, I'm going to start putting all the stuff in there from breakfast and anything that was left out from last night. So the next thing on my list was to make the beds, and I've already made mine, so I'm going to go into the girls' room and make Charlotte's. This is a chore that Charlotte usually does on her own. For the sake of the video, I'll do it today. And then you'll notice when I make Juliet's crib, I don't know why it stopped recording at some point, but I do change her sheet, so you just don't see that. So that's why there's a different sheet on her bed at the end. Moving on to Wyatt's room, I have Charlotte and Wyatt helping me clean up the toys in there and putting those in the playroom so that they can also be gone through. And this has become the problem with the toy bins in their bedrooms is they'll just empty them out looking for a toy that they want to play with. And so we need to come up with a better system in the playroom so that they can find the toys that they need or want to play with and not just dump everything out in their bedrooms. I also have a couple bins in the living room that they're doing the same thing to. So we just need a better system in place so that they can find the toys they want to play with without making a mess that's too big for them to clean up themselves. So now I'm just going to take out the trash, and how annoying is it when the bag rips? So now I have to get another bag and double bag that trash and just empty out the recycle bin and put new trash bags in. And there's nothing better than taking a little break with them and having a little Old MacDonald dance party in the living room. Get it, Juju! Go, Juju! What does a horsey say, Jude? Go, Bye-bye! So moving on to the dining room, this wasn't really on my list of things to do, but because there were toys in here, I wanted to go ahead and clean off this table. I had to take care of those flowers too. It was so sweet. Charlotte's grandpa brought her a bouquet of flowers and a box of chocolates for her birthday. And this is what the playroom looks like right now. I've just been storing toys in here. I still have 2 bins of toys in the garage that also need to come in here. And this is just going to be our next project. I did run out of time, so I was only able to vacuum Charlotte and Wyatt's room and not the entire house in that hour. But that's okay because I got a lot of stuff done that I wanted to do in an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your little bell notification so you know when I post new videos, and I will see you next time.